From the morning, I'm thinking how to make money online. Side hustle, make $1,000 to $5,000 a day, affiliate commissions without actually working. So, really workless way to watch other people's videos, right? So, I started watching this video, and this video is about anxiety. This guy is literally reading an article from his computer, putting his camera on the side. That was okay, and I was watching and having fun until I saw this video got 40,000 views. A video about anxiety taken from the side of his face, most boring, 40,000 views, giving me anxiety because I am not lazy. I put a video on TikTok yesterday. Look at this video right here. And after all this hard work, looking at the camera, all these lights, screenshots, demonstration, I got only 10,000 views. Well, every view gives me $1, but so what? I got 10,000 views. This guy got 37,000 views. Talking about anxiety is giving me anxiety. Well, out of anxiety, I went to my Warrior Plus account to look for how much money I have. And the money looks good, bro. $111,796 in passive affiliate commission. Not bad at all. It's good. But when it comes to how I will make this money again, and this guy is making more money than me using a boring video, gives me anxiety. Out of anxiety, I went to Uber Suggest and looked for the word anxiety. How many other people just like me are anxious and suffering with anxiety? And guess what? 500,000 people every single month search with the word anxiety. Is everybody jealous like me? I'm not alone. And how about these other people asking all these crazy questions? All questions got 300,000 searches per month, and there are like 100,000 anxiety related keywords. Well, this seems to be money to me because every little click on my affiliate link makes me money. Well, basically every view, like you are watching this video, even this view turns into $1 for me. And that's how affiliate marketing works. Mosh, you're only talking about yourself. Let's talk about us. We are watching this video. How do I make money online? Are you still listening? This guy is making anxiety video. Millions of people are searching about anxiety. Every clicks make you $1 each. And if you're still watching this video, then I must show you how I make videos. And to be honest, I have an anxiety factor of making more money because my neighbor is making more money and my other affiliate friends are making more money. So I'm so jealous. This gives me more anxiety, and that's why I wanted to start 33 YouTube channels and other social media channels, but I couldn't. Man, 33 is a huge number, so I started 20 channels. I run them using Epic without showing my face. Please don't share this with everyone else, especially my other affiliate friends. If they learn and they start doing, give me more anxiety and I will become fat. Well, yes, when you have anxiety, you eat more, you get fat. And then ClickBank affiliates become rich. Look at this. This Exipure thing is a pure weight loss product. An average on every sale, affiliates are making $145. This is wow. And more gravity score equals more affiliates are making money. The juiciest one is $28 rebill. It means people are paying every month without the affiliate or the vendor working. So good. So this is what I do. I don't click on the promote button. Why? There is another video somewhere here or here where I showed why you should not directly click on the promote button. You should click on the affiliate page, go through all the information they're giving you, learn about the offer, especially the problems and the solutions being offered, and then put your affiliate ID here. As soon as you put it, your special affiliate link, this is what you should use. Copy to clipboard, paste it, save it somewhere safe because you're gonna use it. And the moment your viewers click on this link and go to this page, they will get so much anxiety and they will feel the only solution is this product and they will buy, you make money. Super simple, but wait, where are the people who will click your affiliate link? That's why you should make this 1-minute TikTok, YouTube shorts and Instagram reel videos. You talk about anxiety and answer all these anxiety related questions in your videos, but don't even bother making face full video like him. don't even use camera. Cameras will drain your energy. You'll have to shoot hundreds of times to get one good shot. Use Epic. This is what we use. It's free to start. Link is in the description. Don't tell me that I didn't tell you. This is what we use. We created for ourselves. This baby is responsible for giving me the anxiety of running 20 plus channels without actually work. And I will show you how. So let's click create new and go to anxiety. And make sure you click vertical because it's going to be a 1-minute video. We are lazy people. You have more anxiety and less time to work. Click create. Please don't share this with anyone else. This is super secret. And I will blame you if my other affiliate friends know this secret. They make same videos and make more money than me. Be a little grateful, bro. I'm giving you the secret. Search with anxiety on TikTok or anxiety relief or whatever you choose. Don't go for attractive girls dancing videos. Look for this kind of boring channels because people love them. Look at this, 815,000 views. Using this kind of videos, they are nothing but an image in the background and text in the foreground. And let me show you how you do it with Epic. So inside Epic, on the left hand side, you get 2.7 million royalty-free images and videos to use in your videos. So let's use this one. We search with anxiety and we found something. Let's use this image. Looks like somebody's head is blowing up with anxiety. So move it a little away, rotate it, pan it, zoom it, do whatever you want with it, and search for something like 10 natural remedies for anxiety. And I'm gonna copy this whole thing. Let me first copy and then we will talk about it. You must be Mosh, this is stealing. You are Muslim. Muslim people don't steal. Dude, I'm not stealing. Come on, dude, this is the world of AI. Epic already has AI. You can simply put your text in the text generator, put the text right here, and use any of these buttons to rewrite the text for you using AI. But I'm not gonna use Epic. I'm gonna use one of my favorite softwares. This is one of the best. It's free to start as well. Link is in the description. Don't tell my other affiliate friends, please. And I will paste the whole article, 10 natural remedies for anxiety, in this summarizer. And I want 5 results. Click generate. And I got a beautiful summary. It's here. I'm gonna copy it. I can put the text right here, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'll make a longer video because I have the most awesome tool ever. So I will go click copy and paste text here, Control V, and I will make some paragraphs. Look at this. We have a couple of paragraphs. The moment I click submit, look at what happens. On the right hand side, right now, there is only one section. Click submit. And immediately every paragraph turns into each section or slide or a tiny bite-sized video. Now for every section I can add different image, different video if I want. Let's add this image for this section. Oh no, my bad. This one's talking about exercise. I should remove it and add workout or exercise related image. That's good. I can do all sorts of things right here if I want to, or I'll just leave it as is. And now I need voiceover to make the video more engaging. Epic turns scripts into natural sounding voiceovers. I'm gonna copy this text, Control C, go to the audio section. I can upload my pre-recorded voiceover file using this browse button from hard drive, or if you are confident and you want to record directly through your microphone, you can do that. Just click this button and start recording, or click text to audio. Click this add button, give it a title, name it, select the quality, select your favorite voiceover artist, and paste the text right here and click submit. And in split second, your voiceover is ready. Listen.
Exercise can help reduce anxiety symptoms by providing a distraction and releasing neurochemicals that promote positive mental health.
Good, you love it? Just one click to add this audio to this clip. Move to the next one and do the same. If you are busy with anxiety just like me and 500,000 people just like this, then save your work, go out for a walk, come back later and work on another section. This way you can take as long as you want and make videos when you are free, not having any anxiety. Enjoying your time, enjoy making the video. And whenever you are ready, just click this render button and your video will be ready in the background. Then download that video, upload it to TikTok just like me, or YouTube just like me, or Facebook or Instagram just like this guy. Look, I've been working hard on this video. This is a common generosity, giving me a like by pressing the like button below this video. If you haven't done yet, why didn't you? Don't you like that I'm giving you all my secrets and even running the risk of you exposing this secret to my rich neighbor and other affiliate friends? Come on, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will knock your door telling you, hey, Mosh uploaded a new video, go watch it and make money. All the free stuffs are in the description. Don't forget to get free access before he removes them. And of course, share this video. Your friends and family will love you more. Maybe you will find your dream girl just by sharing this video on the social media. It's so good. You agree? Okay, before you think that you learned everything, you did not, because I didn't even show you where the money is coming from. Money is coming from these clicks, and you cannot get clicks on your affiliate links that you collected and saved it in a safe place that I told you before. Remember to put your affiliate link or your website link in the description of your YouTube videos. You see this video? All these links are affiliate links. Another thing, by now if you're watching another cat video, may God bless you, because without this important element inside your video, you are definitely not going to get any click. Remember, in your video, ask people to click the link in your description, just like I am telling you to get Epic free to start. Link is in the description. Epic is a game changer, life changer, help people learning about anxiety, of course unlimited number of other niches or other stuff, get you free views and clicks from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Sky is the limit with these crazy 1 minute long videos. And you should have a lot of fun exploring new ideas, new niches, new problems. Just find out using keyword research tools what people are looking for. Turn other people's texts or articles into yours using AI without running into legal issues. Turn them into videos without showing your face on the camera. Get clicks, make money. Trust me, once you are rich, you will not have anxiety. And you will even lose weight just like me. I lost 3 kilos in last 1 week just by stopping eating. I had so much anxiety about other friends getting more rich that I even stopped eating. No exipure, no exercise required. Well, don't do that. Just click the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and don't forget to share this video. Get all of my softwares for free. Link is in the description. Another secret, Epic comes with a free training on how to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. Don't tell my other affiliate friends, please. It gives me anxiety. If you like this video, give me a like. If you don't like this video, also give me a like, and share this video with your friends and family, whether you like it or not. Watch my next video, is coming tomorrow. And if you want to learn about how this lady earns $100,000 by dancing on TikTok, and the other guy is making more, making ugly videos on TikTok without dancing, then watch this video.